Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Circle Time. Let's sing our hello song first. Hello there, hello there. Let's all have some fun. It's so nice to see you. Hello, everyone. I have something in my pocket that belongs across my face, and I keep it very close to me in a most convenient place. I know you'll never guess it if you guess a long, long while, so take it out and put it on. It's my great big preschool smile. Let's see your smile. Everybody's smile's on. Way to go. So let's get our finger on our nose and get quiet and get ready. And let's see if Harry will come out of his little basket for us today, shall we? All right, looks like you're all ready. Here we go. Harry, look at his little nose peeking out from the basket. He's still a little bit shy about being on the computer. Well, let's see what he has in here. It looks like he has some things in his basket. Let's see what he has. You want to come out, Harry? Come on out and see the children. Oh, he's coming out. He's looking like he might be a little bit shy or sleepy. Are you a little sleepy, Harry? A little shy? Yeah? Well, the children are here and they want to see you. Do you want to wave to them? He says yes. So wave to Harry, everybody. Nice to see you. Harry, do you have something in your pocket or in your backpack? Yes. He says yes. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, Harry. What is that? Take it out and see. Wow. These look like packets of something. Let's have Harry sit there. Harry, look what he brought us. Wow. Do you know what these are? These are packets of seeds, boys and girls. And look, it looks like this one's been open a little bit. You know, now's the time of year when we plant lots of seeds outside in our garden. So since this one is open, let me see what kind it is. It says spinach. These are spinach seeds. Harry must have planted some spinach in our garden. Can you see that little tiny seed? Isn't it? Oops, I just dropped it. Let's see another one here. There you go, tiny little seed between my fingers. So we've got spinach seeds, we've got carrot seeds, that one's not open yet, and two different kinds of kale, because we eat a lot of greens here at our house. So I guess Harry has something in mind for us to do this afternoon. I'm gonna go plant some more seeds. And he also has in here a book. So let's read a story together. It's called One Watermelon Seed. And the author is Celia Barker. One watermelon seed. Okay, turn this a little bit here. So Max and Josephine planted a garden. They planted one watermelon seed and it grew. And they planted two pumpkin seeds and they grew. Max planted 3 eggplants and they grew. 1, 2, 3. And Josephine planted 4 pepper plants and they grew too. Then she planted 5 tomato plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Max planted 6 blueberry bushes and they grew. Wow, this is a big garden. And 7 strawberry plants and they grew. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strawberry plants. And Josephine planted 8 bean seeds and they grew too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9 seed potatoes. You count these while I point to them. Did you count up to 9? Good. And they planted 10 corn seeds and they grew into corn plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under my finger, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 corn plants. Then the rain fell and the sun shone. The seeds and the leaves and the stalks and the vines grew and grew and grew and grew. Max and Josephine weeded and watered and watered and weeded and waited and waited. One day they looked at their garden and saw there was plenty to pick. So they picked 10 watermelons, big and green. Do you remember they planted one watermelon seed and they got 10 watermelons from one plant? And they picked 20 pumpkins glowing orange. Wow. Max picked 30 eggplants, dark and purple, and 40 peppers, shiny yellow. They both picked 50 tomatoes, plump and juicy, and 60 blueberries, small and round. Josephine picked 70 strawberries, sweet and red. And Max picked 80 string beans, thin and crisp. Josephine dug 90 potatoes, knobby and brown. My goodness, look at all those potatoes. And they picked 100 ears of corn. That's a lot of corn too. What are they going to do with all that corn? Aha. See that? It says, it was not ordinary corn. Max and Josephine saved it for cold winter nights when the garden was covered with snow. Then they turned it into hundreds and thousands of big, white, crunchy puffs because that corn was a very special kind of corn called popcorn. Look at that. They enjoyed the popcorn during the winter time. How fun is that? All of that from one watermelon seed, right? And all those other seeds they planted. Seeds are amazing, what they can grow into. Okay, let's sing our song about what plants need to grow. Once we plant those seeds, they need certain things. And of course, they need soil, they need water, they need air, and they need light. So it goes like this: soil, water, air, and light, air and light. Soil, water, air, and light, air, and light. These things make a plant grow right. Soil, water, air, and light, air, and light. Remember, this is like pouring a water from a watering can? Yeah. So let's do it one more time. Soil, water, air, and light, air, and light. Soil, water, air, and light, air, and light. These things make a plant grow right. Soil, water, air, and light, air, and light. Good job. Clap for yourself. That was fun. Okay, now I'd like you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. And while your eyes are closed, I'm going to read you something, a little story here, and I want you to use your imagination to create the pictures in the story as I read it. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Eyes closed. This is called take a hike. Imagine that you're going on a hike anywhere you want. Picture in your imagination where you are. Are you on a mountain? Are you along the beach or in a forest? Next to a river? Or maybe even in your backyard? As you walk, listen to the sound of your feet on the ground and feel the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the breeze on your skin. Do you hear or see any animals? So take in a really deep breath. What do you smell? Do you smell any fragrances in the air? Enjoy the fresh air and feel the cool breeze on your skin. And notice the blue sky. And when you're finished exploring, hike home very, very slowly. And when you get home, open your eyes and look back up here. And in just a moment, There's going to be a surprise here for you. Okay, everybody slowly open your eyes and stand up now. And I have a surprise guest for you. You might have met him before. His name is Daniel. Daniel, come on in. Here he is.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Daniel. So we're going to do a dance with you called the chicken dance. And here's how the moves go. So first get your chicken beaks out like this. And then talk to each other. No. Chicken beaks. Okay, and then we need our chicken wings. Chicken wings. I'm gonna move this so Daniel's head's not cut off. There we go. Chicken wings. Okay, and then we're going to wiggle down like that. And then clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then we dance around in a circle. Okay, so we've got our beaks, we've got our wings, we've got our wiggle, and we've got our clap. Okay, you ready? All right, Daniel, you keep them occupied for a moment while I put the music on. Here we go, the chicken dance. 1, 2, 3. Get your beaks ready. Ready, set, go. Oh, slow. Oops. Uh-oh, it's getting faster. Woo! Woo! Ta-da! Okay, thank
Bye,
you,
everybody.
Daniel.
Till next time.
Oops, don't start again. We're too tired. We can't do it again. Thank you, Daniel. Bye for now. Well, what did you think of the chicken dance? Was that lots of fun? Oh, put your hands on your heart. Do you feel your heartbeat? Just close your eyes and feel your heartbeat for a minute. Beating very fast. So one of the ways that we can calm our body down when we're really excited is to do some deep breathing. So put your hands on your shoulders like this. Let's do our butterfly breathing. So fold your wings in to begin and take a deep breath in And then open your wings really wide and then breathe out. Breathe in and open your wings. And then breathe out. Folding them back in. One more time, breathe in. And then breathe out. Very good. And how about bullfrog breathing? Do you remember that one? So you put your hands on your belly. And when you breathe in, you make your belly get very big like a bullfrog. So let's try that. Let's breathe in. Push out your belly and fill it with air. And then let it out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Now feel your heartbeat. Slower now, isn't it? Yeah, great. Okay, so this brings our circle to a close. So we'll sing our goodbye song, and then I'll see you the next time. Our song goes like this. Goodbye now, our circle's now done. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye, everyone. Bye for now. I hope you had a good time. I'll see you next time.